Hello, and welcome to this lesson on chemical bonding. In today's lesson, we will develop an overview of ionic, metallic, and covalent bonding, and understand the key characteristics and differences between these types of bonds. This lesson will only give a brief overview, so don't worry if some of the terms are new. We will deeply explore them in upcoming lessons. First up, ionic bonding. Ionic bonding typically occurs between a metal and a non-metal. This type of bonding involves the transfer of electrons from one atom to another, resulting in the formation of positive and negative ions. These oppositely charged ions are held together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. An everyday example is NaCl, or table salt. Then we have covalent bonding. Covalent bonding occurs between non-metal atoms. Instead of transferring electrons, these atoms share pairs of electrons to achieve stable electron configurations. Covalent bonds can form simple molecules, giant covalent structures, or polymers. H2O, or water, is an example of a simple covalent molecule. Diamond is an example of a giant covalent molecule, and plastics are examples of polymers. And thirdly, let's look at metallic bonding. Metallic bonding occurs between metal atoms. In this type of bonding, atoms in a metal release some of their electrons to form a sea of free moving electrons. The metal atoms become positively charged ions, and the free electrons move around them. This creates a strong electrostatic attraction between the positive metal ions and the sea of delocalized electrons. This sea of electrons explains several properties of metals, such as their ability to conduct electricity and heat, their malleability, ability to be hammered into sheets, and their ductility, ability to be drawn into wires. In today's lesson, we delved into the three main types of chemical bonding: ionic, which occurs between a metal and a non-metal and involves the transfer of electrons; covalent, which occurs between non-metals and involves sharing a pair of electrons; and metallic, which occurs between metals. By understanding these bonding types, we gain insights into how substances form and why they exhibit specific properties, which is essential for explaining various chemical reactions and material behaviors.